So, third place for race 7, skipper Chris Kobush and the team from Qingdao. Second place goes to skipper Dale Smith and the team from Dare to Lead. First place, skipper Matt Mitchell and the team from PSP Logistics.
掌声欢迎中国帆船帆板运动协会。
This immersion into different aspects of Chinese culture in a way that we would never have seen otherwise. The first thing, going out to the Kuan Yin statue at the Nanshan Buddhist Park, was just amazing. There were no Westerners out there, I think, aside from a few Russians. And then in the afternoon, going to the Li village was amazing, seeing the ladies with their feet on the looms weaving. And just all these amazing experiences where you're like, here, we would never have seen this if we hadn't come on this trip. Then the show here at the Romance Park, which is really more like a sort of a fairy tale kind of fantasy land. Everything that came out in the show would be something different. There would be electric fish coming down from the ceiling and the laser light show. This is just wild. It was great. It was a fantastic day.
We're here in beautiful Sanya, about to start the import race, import regatta. All the boats are out, promising to be quite an exciting day.
I've been taught many different techniques. The rolling, I've learnt the traditional Chinese way to roll it, and one of the chefs was very proud of me. And then I've not quite mastered the really fancy looking dumpling, but the traditional squeeze, I've got that one down.